studio's back.
Studio's back.
Back in the stew.
But Mother Nature really fucked it, eh?
Yeah. God damn.
No respect for the stew. Like, Mother Nature, get a fucking job. Apparently she did, because, like, stew's back.
So I was real excited yesterday, right? Wake up. Oh, fuck. I can drive again. Call ICBC. On the phone for 45 minutes. Can't get it till Monday, man.
That sucks for you.
Yeah. But I booked it in. Monday, first ride video.
Ooh. Wow, wow, wee, wow. What time are you going in?
11:20, dude. And I'm gonna go get some insurance.
Cool. That's gonna be a big spendy day.
Yeah, fucking $1,000 later. Woo! I need the sunnies one sec.
Safety sunnies?
Yeah. I don't know where they went.
Safety is from the Mother Natures?
Where are you, safety sunnies?
Kev was wearing them last.
We've got a package.
That showed your address and his.
We've got a package. Stickers.
Stickers.
For you, me, and Ben.
Sexy 7 style.
Sexy 7 style.
Does he have an RX-7?
He does. And he also has a coupe. He bought my projectors.
Oh, wow, wow, wee, wow.
Buys all my stuff. Very, very good guy.
Good guy.
Yes. He has an Instagram. We'll put it over the screen.
Yes,
oh, there we
address.
go. There's his Instagram.
At sexy7.style. Check it out.
There you go. Check it out.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, big shout out to Trey for sending us these stickers. Check them out. Sexy7.style.
That's fucking sexy, man.
Sexy, man.
Alright, well, what are we even doing today?
Today,
what's going on?
Since we're going to be driving it on Monday, two things we got to do.
Ooh. It's like really overexposed, but it doesn't say it's overexposed.
Well, I don't know what to tell you. We need to bleed the clutch, and we need to bleed the coolant. Last time we were trying to bleed it, the coolant feed line was leaking coolant, but I fixed it, I think. We'll probably change this hose because it's absolutely soaked in oil, which is not safe. But yes, scope the new freaking overflow that didn't fit at all.
That's what you get for the eBays, man.
That's bone dry.
Sick. That's what you want, though. Bleeding fam. Wow. You go, girl.
I hate going up on this fucking driveway. I think I could probably reach the bleeder.
That's cool. Like, I care. Get him under there. Maybe if I push down on this side, the whole car will tilt. Holy cock, bud. Turning out the fucking on cock. Alright, get under there, eh? Get under there, eh, bud? Just tucked. Just rightfully tucked. Holy shit, it's brighter than the futures. Look at how tucked, man. What is that? Filaments, man. Oh. That's unreal, filaments.
Give it a little bit of a pull and just rock it like that, eh?
That does look sick. Man, if you could run it like that. Holy fuck. That's how low I want to be. I need some
sick, though.
26k spring rates.
You could do that.
Yeah.
If you shaved your tire and like really hammer the shit out of your quarter. Fuck! Alright, clutch is bled. Now we're gonna move on to coolant real quick. Maybe I should find some hose clamps for there and over there, but we'll see how she goes. I don't know if it'll start.
Fill this with water?
Yes.
We are the world.
Come on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay.
Car's bled.
Car's bled, ready for a drive. But not till Monday. I wonder if it's like the pulley that's fucking... What is this? It's making a weird rattle noise. I don't know if you could pick it up on camera, but... We've got to figure out what that is. It goes away with idle. It sounds almost like the timing chains hitting. That's hot. You know, like the guide? The timing chain guide? Sounds like it could be that. I don't know. There was a shitty rag I had a second ago. Good quality on that.
Clean rag, bro.
Yeah, like you see how this thing isn't fully flush? Like it's not level, right? It's in there kind of like this, so I feel like vibration from the engine running and this not fitting properly makes it look like there's way more air in there than there is.
Maybe. Should Andrew to do it.
Yeah. Father Andrew. Steamy. It's hot like chocolate. When are we putting silver dough headlights on?
When are we doing silver dough headlights?
Oh, look at that, that's nice and clean. Yeah,
right now, because these real bricks are ugly. They don't look as good as the silver dough headlights.
About to wreck the market. Okay, so coolant's bled for the most part. I don't know. Didn't stop. Let it bleed for like half an hour. Maybe because we're on a slant. I don't know. Clutch is bled, coolant's bled. Ready for Monday, hopefully when I get the license. But yeah, I think it's done. It's ready for the street, dude. So stay tuned for the first drive video. That might be Monday, might not, because I still need to make an exhaust for this. We will see. Very exciting things. We're gonna go pack some orders now. Bring the camera along with us. Show you guys the process again, even though we haven't posted the last office video we posted.
It'll be posted by this time this goes
Maybe
up.
they hated it, but now it's up. Hang on, so it's not posted now, but when this video goes up, it'll be out.
Yeah.
So if they hate the office video, there's gonna be more footage of us packing orders in this video.
Yeah, fuck them. Who cares?
Fuck
you
them.
guys don't know what you want.
We're gonna go pack orders.
Alright, we got today's orders in. We're in. Packed here. Canada Toast is gonna come pick those up. And yeah. Can't remember what we even did in this video. What we doing? Oh yeah, so the SR's almost ready to go. Early next week, we're gonna drive for the first time when Noah hopefully gets his license back. So yeah, stay tuned for that. It's gonna be exciting, and then we can do lots of Noah driving content and cool stuff where he can actually move his car and it's just not sitting in the driveway. Ooh, and we also have lots of video ideas up here. Can't see though, because top secret. Can they see? Oh, the products, dude. That's top secret, man. Yeah, just big business moves, you know? That's how you make $1 billion a day. E-commerce, drop shipping. Buy our course. $6,000 a day for the course, but it'll make you $1 billion an hour.
Crazy, man.
Get on it. Also, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content.
The boys will try to